JSW is sponsoring 50,000 worth scholarship to engineering, MBBS, undergraduates, postgraduates, CA, CS, diploma and ITI students. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. I hope all of you are doing good. Let's dive into the inspiring world of JSW Udaan Scholarship. This initiative is powered by JSW Foundation. It's not just about the financial aid, it's about forecasting a spirit of achievement and growth in students who have dreamt of a quality education. Let's explore the details and the opportunities that Udaan can bring in. The eligibilities for this scholarship is student must have secured minimum of 60% in class 10 and 12. The family income should be less than 8 lakhs rupees and student must be pursuing the courses like BE, BTech, MBBS, undergraduate, postgraduate, CA, CS, ITI and diploma. Udaan Scholarship come up with varying rewards for the different courses. If you are studying BE, BTech, medical or postgraduate, then the reward will be 50,000 rupees. 30,000 reward is reserved for the students who are pursuing their undergraduate courses. For the professional courses, 25,000 is the reward, and for diploma and ITI students, 10,000 will be the reward. When applying, ensure that you have the following documents: photo of the applicant, address proof, ID proof, income proof, bank passbook, mark sheet of class 10 and 12, fees receipt or the latest fee structure, bona fide certificate or the admission letter from the institute, latest college mark sheets excluding first year students. Make sure that all these documents must be clear and should be in JPG or PNG formats. To apply for this scholarship, you need to hit the link given in the description box. You need to create and update your profile. If you find any difficulty in creating and updating your profile, I have given all the details in the above video. Click and watch the video to update your profile. If you like the content and want to hear more on upcoming scholarship information, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Now let's come back to the application process. After updating the profile, you need to click on search and apply scholarship. Then you need to click on the JSW Udaan Scholarship. It's important to note that this scholarship is not available for the kids of JSW employee. Additionally, JSW Udaan Scholarship is a ray of hope for the students who are residing near the diverse JSW plant location. Let's fill out the details like: is your parent or a guardian working in a JSW? Select yes or no. Select the option of your parental marital status. Then please select the JSW nearest location for you, the district you belong to and the village where you stay. And are you a differently abled student? Click yes or no. Are you an orphan? Click or yes or no. Download the bona fide certificate copy, sample copy if you don't have. If you have received the bona fide certificate from your college, then please choose the file and upload it. Then click on the checkbox where you mention that the self-declaration where you have all the given informations above are correct. Then click on the submit button. There you are done with the application process. The JSW Udaan Scholarship is more than a financial support. It's a lifeline for those who dare to dream big. It's about breaking the barriers, soaring towards the excellence and inspiring others to do the same. So if you are a student and ready to embrace the educational journey, and if you are meeting up the eligibility criteria, then grab this opportunity and let the JSW Udaan Scholarship become a wing to fly higher in the world of education. All the best for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every possible student by sharing this video. Signing off, take care.